Hey guys, David Wood here. Not on the excavator this go around, I'm in the workshop, and I wanted to show you a little project that I worked on. Did not have enough room in my shop for another toolbox, but you know you can never have enough toolboxes. So let me show you what I did. This is a little look at my shop, and it's pretty crowded. It's a 24 by, I think, 32, and got decent space in here, but it seems like I just never have enough room for the stuff. But anyway, so this was my project, was getting this toolbox that I got from Harbor Freight, which is a nice toolbox, and I put it in the workbench as opposed to out in the open area. I put it in the workbench so that I could open it. Of course, I have light inside to see, and I have all the drawers that I can open and close, but when I'm using the workbench, it's nice to be able to just close this down and it's out of the way. The other key feature was the little slide in the back. I had to make it like this so that when I closed it, I didn't have that big gap behind it. And it worked pretty good. So let me know what you think.